Here we are with a look at temperatures right now, all in the 50s with one exception. Punxsutawney, Phil's home, is down to 48 degrees. Everybody else doing a little bit better, although they're awfully close to the 40s in Sarver, Katanning, and Indiana too. So it's just a matter of time before you get there as well. Now, overnight lows typically this time of year run in the mid to upper 30s. Nobody gets that cold tonight. It'll probably be another 3 or 4 days before we get back to those kinds of temperatures. And here's what's happening in terms of highs and lows today. We did okay. 62s, low 60s, in fact, across the board in Katanning, Charleroi, and Carnegie, with mid 30s, mid to upper 30s to start the day out. And those were the kind of numbers we saw at Pittsburgh International as well. 61 the high, 36 the low. That's a degree and a half above the averages of 56 and 38, and we'll be well above those numbers tomorrow and Monday too, before cooler air finally returns to the region. Right now, sitting on 54 degrees with a mostly cloudy sky at Pittsburgh International. Humidity 80%, winds out of the southeast at 7, pressure's high, and the dew point is at 48 degrees, and that gives you an idea of what the floor is for our overnight low. It will not go below that number, and it may not get quite that chilly, but that's not chilly. That's 11 degrees above our normal low. Here's what's going on out there at the surface. You can see on Viper radar, we do have a warm front now moving through Michigan and across Lake Erie, and that front it is already ushering in milder air that will only get milder as we head through the day tomorrow, with readings up again around 70, maybe even low 70s in parts of the area, and then staying mild into Monday. But there's a front that's not on this map, just off the screen, that is headed our way, a cold front that will plow into us Monday and on into Tuesday, and when it does, it will make a sea change of a difference on weather-wise. Tomorrow, mild, a spring-like day with spotty showers around, nothing too heavy, and they will be scattered off and on throughout the day, so not a total washout by any means. Then as we head on into Sunday, look what happens Sunday night. Here's the cold front now starting to press in on the region. That happens late, though, at night when the atmosphere is at its lowest energy situation, and so we won't see, I don't believe, severe weather, but there could be a couple of claps of thunder, some thunderstorms, which are not unheard of in November, but they're relatively rare. And in terms of rainfall totals, you can see by this time tomorrow night, we're looking at maybe an inch in Newcastle. Everybody else less, half an inch in Greensburg, third of an inch there in Cambria. So it's not going to be a major washout tomorrow, but there will be some showers around. Tonight, just a few spotty ones, mild, 51 the overnight low. Our high tomorrow, 70 degrees. Enjoy, because there won't be many more like that one, that's for sure. Monday will be close, but not quite, 65 degrees. And that's the day we'll see the transition with the cold front coming in, Paul. A couple of storms possible. And then as we head down through the week, it dries out, but really cools down with highs in the 40s and low 50s right into the weekend.